welcome to Make It with Alice, all topics communications here on this channel. Today we're going to talk about how to speak so that people feel more safe around you. Let that sink in. Safety is essential in communication. We open up when we feel more safe. So in this video, we're going to dissect what safety means in communication so that when you speak, you could feel more safe and you could also communicate safety. Let's talk about safety. Okay, oftentimes when we communicate, we have barriers up, okay? We don't normally feel safe. How could we? Because we don't know that person. We don't know the prejudice, the biases. So automatically when we coming into the room to speak, we feel uncomfortable. How can we expect another person to feel comfortable if we ourselves are not comfortable? So we need to communicate safety. Safety is being relaxed when we come into the room. Safety is asking questions. Safety is listening and asking questions, the right type of questions that are intimate but not too intimate. They're not forced, they're fluid. Asking questions when you need to ask the questions, when there's a pause in the conversation, not dominating the conversation with questions right away. The questions are not bullets. We're not peppering. Peppering is a colloquial English term in United States. Peppering them with questions means throwing all these questions onto them. So it's important to create that safe environment for dialogue to unfold, for conversation to unfold. One way that you can communicate safety is by sharing who you are and sharing your intention. Hi, I'm a communications coach and I'm here to listen. I'm here to learn. When you tell somebody I'm here to listen, I'm here to learn, automatically they feel safe. When you crack a joke, they feel safe. Humor lowers cortisol levels. We're more open. We feel more safe. There's different techniques to get someone to feel safe right away with you. Like I said, make them laugh. Let them know your intention right away. I'm here to listen. I'm here to understand. These are very powerful statements to invite safety in your conversation. So there's a balance between listening and speaking. It's okay if you speak more. Some of us do that, including me, and some of us spend time listening. Now, you have to balance the conversation according to what the other people are doing. So if more people are talking, you will listen. But mirror others. That's another way of people feeling safe in your presence. If somebody's leaning in, lean in. If somebody gives you a hug, give them a hug. If somebody smiles, smile. If they're laughing and smiling and you're just looking at them like this, they're not going to feel safe. If they give you a hug and you're like, they're not going to feel safe. So imagine a conversation like the ocean, ebb and flow of the waves, in and out, or a dance. We move forward and we step back. We step to the right, we step to the left. Conversation is really about fluidity, meaning it's water. Okay, it's organic, it's natural. So pay attention to the body language. Use phrases like, I understand you, I'm here to listen. I would like to know more about you. There's so many other phrases, and I teach a communications class online. So if you're interested to take private lessons, you can book a trial lesson, 30 minutes free, and I'll leave the links in the description. And I hope this was helpful and you got a little bit of a sense of what safety means in conversation, how to feel more safe, and how to create that safety. So we end each episode with do the best that you can every day.